Hey, this is Peggy with Easy Peasy Machine Embroidery, and we are in Creativate, MySewNet embroidery software. Let's say you saved an image, and now you're trying to open it to look at it in your embroidery software, and it is nowhere to be found. That is because it is in the wrong format. So today I'm going to show you how to save it in the right format so it will be recognized by your software. For example, I'm going to open up my file that I've stored a few images in, and I don't know what the file format of this one is. So if I go to View and I click on Details, it's going to tell me what the file type is. In this case, it's an AVIF file. And I know that my software will not open that type of file. So all I have to do is highlight that file, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to say Open With, and the photo app that comes on all Microsoft computers. I'm going to open it, and I'm going to go up here. I can edit it, so if I want to crop it, I can do that. Okay, now it's cropped, and my save options, I can do a save as a copy, and you have all these formats. And when I save, I generally save as a PNG or a JPEG. So I'm going to save this as a PNG, but I'm also going to rename it a little bit so I know that that is the one that will work with the software. So I'm just going to put a P in front of that file. So I'm going to do a save as file type PNG. And there it is, it's saved. Now I can work with it. I'm going to give you another example here. I'm going to use this image in another video. I'll use this image in another video to show you how to remove parts of a picture that you don't want to deal with or whatever. That'll be in the intermediate word sculpt. Okay, so that is how you convert the picture so that you can now open it in your Creativate MySewNet software. So we go here, and I'm going to say OK. And if I wanted to do Express Design into Hoop, Express Embroidery, I say Next, Load Picture, and there's my video folder, and there's one of my pictures, and it's going to open up in there. And then you can work with it. Okay, so that concludes this lesson. Catch you later.